things in life you forget they'll pass you by. It's the simple things in life.
And just like that, we are packed and ready to leave. So today is our last day in Perhentian. It's been amazing, one of my favourite places. Sad to be leaving actually, but all good things come to an end.
Doing it the Asian style.
Yeah mate, bro, we're not serious.
Copying him.
Experience. You didn't even say bye to them lot, did ya?
Who?
Them guys sitting there.
Yeah, I did.
Did ya?
So today we leave Perhentian Islands and head back to the mainland. This is our dive instructor yesterday for all our dives. On a scale of 1 to depression, how sad are you to leave?
Depression. Mad depression right now. It's gonna be weird not waking up and seeing that green water anymore.
And it's like overcast today, and it's still, you can see it. It's a sad day in Cushion Uncharted headquarters, isn't it?
Headquarters. Yeah, it's not the best, but we'll be back. Smash it again.
Oh, that was lucky, but you had to carry them all up to 4th place.
You can go up to the 4th by foot if you want.
No thanks. Let's turn this up a bit so you can see. No windows, budget room, Smurf size bed. Right. So we're going to do what we always have to do. Every time you check in somewhere new, what is rule number 1?
Bed bug check.
So when you're looking, you've got to like pull this apart here and look right down the sides, either for blood spots, because sometimes they're so small you can't see them, or look for tiny little black bugs. So they're in here, or they would be in here, or they would be, if it was like a bed that you can't really see, but you would check all down here, here, all the crevices, and look at the state of the bed.
Wrecked it. But first things first, we need food because I'm dying of starvation. I'm gonna die if I
After
don't
your
eat.
performance, you can stop somewhere.
Feed me, I need food.
I'm gonna draw on you. If you carry on, you'll be an
It's a
annoying.
bit violent, isn't it?
Right, what it doesn't show you is his annoying self. Sorry.
There is no part of me that's annoying. Right, take me to the food place. Oh, that smells nice. There's food right there. Hello. Hello. Hi. What do you want for food then? River, right there. It's a shame we ain't got the drone. You're flying that drone, boy.
He's literally eating this like he's never been fed in his life. I asked if they had any curry with no spice, and what a shock they haven't, so here's mine. And my dinner is bread.
I'm living the dream.
Snotty nose. Yeah. Yeah.
Playful. So just finished my lunch, and I'm a bit sad, guys. Seriously, because if you can see, there's a big river. It's just behind. Oh, there we go. We have no drone. so I can't fly along the river. I'm pretty sad right now about that. Oh, man, I'd be flying at miles right now, man. You guys all know it. So, a little bit of a sad geezer right now. But we fly to KL tomorrow, and then hopefully we can repair our drone, or we're gonna have to buy a new one. These hidden costs are starting to rack up now. So if we do get a new drone, it's going to be the Mavic Air. Ooh, nice and small, so actually I might end up having some hand luggage space, maybe, because mine is completely filled with drone stuff. So just a shame we couldn't get the last few drone shots that we wanted to, but it's okay. Kota Baru seems really nice though, really nice and quiet and chilled. Cody's over there playing with that cat, and I'm just sitting by the river, just chilling out, drinking my drink like a boss. So I don't quite know what else we're going to do for the rest of the day now. I think we're just going to chill out and enjoy having signal again. That reminds me, I've got to get the next video up. Oh, I better get onto that fast, like now fast. Time is 4 o'clock. That video needs to go up now. Alright, let's go. Oh man, look at that tired face right there.
It's basically the middle of the night.
What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Why are you all up in the grill?
The thing about travelling is the cheap flights are always in these ridiculous hours. So to get the cheapest flight, always got to get up crazy early.
5 o'clock this morning, ready to roll to the airport to go to Kuala Lumpur. Let's leave right now.
You got us a driver?
There he is.
How long?
4 minutes away. Why is he turning around? And we nearly missed our flight. Can you believe that? My luggage always comes off first. What's the guesses it'll happen?
It's a possibility. You've got a 50-50 chance.
50-50 chance, but usually I am lucky, aren't I?
Mate, you've been first like once.
Oh, you are a liar every time last year.
Once.
You were just... Why are you hating?
Why are you lying to the viewers?
Oh, wow. You're unbelievable. And bag one.
My bag.
Here it is. Got half my stuff in it, Samantha. Yay. Why right on top? Why? Why did you stop to all on top? I think the city is actually really far away from the airport, but it's a nice looking airport, isn't it? Very modern. What are you saying?
First time I've ever been to Kuala Lumpur and actually come out of the airport.
It is, yeah. First time.
Maybe been to the airport like 2 times and never come out.
Spent well over 24 hours in this airport in total, we know that.
bold to tell the truth.
Damn, son. Very nice. We'll try and find the reception now. Damn, bro. So we got swimming pool right there, another one. No, that's not a swimming pool, I'm lying. That's the ground area. That though. Okay, so we're on the 17th floor. It's been quite a challenge actually to find our room.
Right, so we're on the 17th floor, block A, level 17, unit 10.
Is this even in order? So that's 07.
Oh, I found it. Look at all these house. Oh.
Yep, smash the gas, why not?
Oh.
Damn, bro.
Hi-ho.
Pretty nice, yeah.
Very uniquely decorated. These little things are everywhere, and I know that just from the Airbnb advert on the thing. She's literally got them everywhere. I think they're a fan. But should we have a look at our view? We see everyone else's house. Oh, so it's done. When I dream, I could fly to anywhere. Same. So this is our room. See what I mean about the characters? Pretty cool.
This is nice.
Iron, hairdryer, kind of a wardrobe, not a wardrobe. Oh, this is spongy.
This is very nice.
Okay, so that's obviously not the light. That's
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. So there's the throne, sink, selfie, washing machine. You definitely need that shower because you stink. And we're back in the living room again, where we have kettle, sink. Hope there's some cups. Now, if I remember rightly, I chose this one because it said you get free biscuits. Oh, is there some biscuits? Oh, I am definitely complaining. No biscuits. It said it in the advert. I'm only joking, Candice, if you're watching. Your place is lovely.
So we are going to a DJI shop to see if we can find a replacement. Oh, I need to take our one. I've got to take our one to see if we can get it fixed. So, are you excited to potentially come back with a nice shiny new small drone?
I am, but I'm also really scared from my little bank card. She took battering, hasn't she, really?
Yes.
She took a battering, she's travelled the world, she's been blocked more times than I care to remember. She's bought makeup, she's just bought a new pair of shorts in the airport, which I didn't tell you about. So, met a girl who came on one of our dives with us from Sweden. She went shopping in the Philippines and she went and bought a gorgeous new bikini, and she wore it. She's probably going to see this, but I'm no shame whatsoever. She had the best form I've ever seen in my life, and her bikini was absolutely gorgeous. So I asked her where she got it from, and she told me, and I seen the shop today, and I went and had a little nosy and I tried it on, and it just definitely didn't look as good on me as it did on her. So didn't buy it. Made me look like. It made me look like.
What did it make you look like?
It made me look like. I can't remember. I'll tell you what it made me look like later. So I didn't buy it. So then I tried a different one on which did look better, but then Chris was like, no, you can't wear that. It's too tight on your boobs. So I didn't buy that.
Are you blaming me?
He done it in that voice and everything.
Blame your ex. Blame me.
No, it wasn't on my ex, was it? I thought it was fine. I thought I'm only going to wear it for sunbathing because it was quite small. So it was a sunbathing.
It wasn't quite small, it was too small. There's a massive difference.
No, right, I bought one to come away with, which is like no sudden movements. It's a photo opportunity bikini only. I've only used it for photo opportunities because it's a bit small that I wouldn't really feel confident walking around in it, so it's just a nice bikini to have pictures in because it's got sequins on it. And then, you know, I thought that was the same. It's a nice bikini
Yeah, but
for
not for
sunbathing.
20 quid.
Well, yeah, it was a bit more than what you should pay for a bikini to have photos in, but, you know,
It didn't look that great.
Shut up.
I will come back.
Thank you. Bye-bye. So we just arrived in Patlin Jail,
Yeah.
which is where this DJI shop's supposed to be.
We're going to show you all about Kuala Lumpur. We're walking around like we're pros, like we know the place like the back of our hands.
So when we was doing our paddy, we met an English guy who lives in Kuala Lumpur, and he told us about this shop where he bought his drone from, and he said it was quite cheap, quite a good price. So
But it's a legit DJI shop, but no one knows it's there because it's upstairs. You have to go up in a lift round the back, ask for security, couple of passwords, magic words probably. Who knows?
So we're gonna try and find it. Found it. Took about 10 minutes to find because my friend gave us some real good directions. So it's second floor. Ooh.
Not what we expected.
2,800 ringgit.
So is this with just one battery?
No, it's
3 batteries.
3 batteries altogether.
3 batteries altogether? You're one.
So that drone was actually cheaper than we thought.
We looked on Lazada and we was like, oh, should we order it and just send it to where we're going to stay? But we hadn't booked any accommodations. We didn't know where we were going to stay. And then the delivery date for Lazada was 1 day after we fly to Bangkok. So it just wasn't worth the risk because it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money to save, but it wasn't a lot. It's not worth the risk. So we thought it was $780 in the shop, £780 in the shop, and then 700 on Lazada. And it turns out that it's 95
Something like that.
£95 with 3 batteries as a combo. Excuse me?
So we have our drone here in for inspection, and it turns out that the drone was fine all along. It just needed updating.
Yeah. And who's in charge of updates? Not me?
Oops, my
I
mistake.
can't believe that.
Can't believe it. She's breathing, guys. She's alive.
Subscribe.
Soon there will be some Malaysia vlogs coming soon.
Alright. Did you need to hit the bell?
You can hit the bell if you like, but hit the bell.
You can hit the bell. You
Now
like.
you're on a video.
Thank you. Hello. I can always hit the
They're
bell.
doing our update for us because Chris is incapable of keeping up with the updates.
We're going to test the drone.
Nothing wrong. Proud owner of some DJI legs.
That's it now. We're taking the plunge.
That's it. We are officially skinned. We're going home now. We're going straight to the airport, back to London. No more money.
Got to be done though, innit? So, in our new apartment.
Right.
Right at home. So it gets to like 10 o'clock at night and we're like, you know what, we didn't have dinner. So
Takeaway.
on our table there's like a big menu, and then there's like other menus. So we just like, well, we might as well live the dream. So we ordered takeaway and come straight to our room on like the 17th floor.
Yeah, they were like, is there any details that you want to put in the delivery? And I was like, yeah, we're on the 10th floor, we're on the 17th floor in room 10 if you want to bring it up. And they did.
Yeah, great. I like that. So we're watching The Voice with our takeaway that's just been delivered. Boss mode.
Yeah, living the dream, like, excuse my hair, I've got it to a head, so my hair.